Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll walk you through how to transfer money from your BBVA bank account to Wise, formerly TransferWise, so you can send international payments easily and affordably. Let's get started. Step 1, log into your Wise account, open the Wise app or go to wise.com, sign in with your email and password, tap on Receive, or choose the currency/account you want to receive the money into. Step 2, get your Wise bank details. Select the currency you want to receive, like USD, EUR, GBP. Wise will give you a local bank account number and routing code. Copy or note down these details carefully. Step 3, open your BBVA app or online banking. Log into your BBVA mobile app. Tap on Transfers to another bank account. Choose Add New Beneficiary or select a saved Wise account if you've used it before. Step 4, enter the Wise bank details. Paste the account number, routing code, and recipient name provided by Wise. Double-check the information to avoid errors. Choose the amount you want to send and select Immediate or Scheduled Transfer. Step 5, confirm and send the transfer. Review all the details. Confirm with your BBVA key or fingerprint. The money should arrive in your Wise account within minutes or up to 1 business day, depending on the currency. Note: BBVA may charge a small fee for international transfers, so check the total cost before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from BBVA to Wise in 2025. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step banking tutorials. Thanks for watching.